Konnichiwa, Roxanne des. It's nice to see you again, and once again I have some more Japanese snacks to try. Yay! Here are the snacks that we're gonna try today. Let's see, we've got some pizza flavored chips. We got Pringles, possibly spicy Pringles. They don't sound like they made it through shipping very well, but we'll see. We've got some Pikachu candies of some sort. Maybe gummies? I can't tell. I've got this really weird jelly coffee. I had something like this before. It's kind of strange. It's got weird jelly chunks in it, so that will be an interesting taste. And we also have these, they're like purple pretzel things, so can't wait for that one. And we have this Hello Kitty, it looks like it's going to be green tea flavored. Is my guess. Maybe like a bread or something, or maybe even like a crunchy biscuit, because it feels kind of hard. And we also have post office. So we got some kind of post office candy. So I'm gonna open all the bags and we'll start trying them out. So we're gonna try the pizza chips first, because we have pizza chips here. Let's see what their pizza chips taste like. Pizza in Japan is a little different than what you would get here. This is good. It has a very literal, subtle taste of pizza, which is kind of hard to explain. It's not what you would get as a pizza chip here in the US. It has a literal tomato taste to it. But it's good. Alright, I'm gonna try this coffee. Coffee jelly. Coffee jelly. I shook it earlier. It says to shake 7 times. I'm sure that was more than 7. It's got a very sludgy texture to it. It's kind of sludgy. Tastes good though. And every now and again you'll get like a jelly chunk. So it's different. It's different. I'm not against it, but it's different from what we're used to. Alright. Here's these weird purple, I think pretzel? It looks like a pretzel. Maybe with purple chocolate on it. Oh, maybe not. It's purple all the way through. It's very sweet and like vanilla chocolate, white chocolate. It's good though. Alright. Unfortunately, Pringles didn't do so well. Here we go, nice piece. And I guess this is onion and jalapeno, which sounds pretty good. It's not spicy, but it does taste like jalapeno. And I like it, it's pretty good. Alright, the next one is this possibly strange green tea biscuit. And They seem kind of foamy. Not quite what I was expecting. They do smell like green tea. Oh. I was expecting crunch, and that's not what I got. I got a weird, I don't know. But it's definitely green tea. And it's a pretty strong green tea. I like it, but I wouldn't want to eat a lot of it at once. I wouldn't want to eat this pack. I'd want to share it with somebody. Alright. And we got these little candies. I think I tried these before in a video. They're kind of like M&Ms. Yep. M&M like, except smaller. And the last one. Now, at first I thought this was like gummies or something, but no. It's an egg. Like a Kinder egg. So I am excited. I'm wondering if there's a toy in here. So, open up Pikachu's Kinder egg. Oh, it looks like a Kinder egg. Look at that. Pop. It's even gonna pop open. Now, in America, you can't get Kinder eggs. They are German. And because the toy is inside like this, oh my gosh, it's even white on the inside, just like a Kinder egg. Holy crap. I wonder if it is Kinder egg. Just Japanesed up. Oh. I'm going to remember these when we go back here soon. Get me some. What is this called? Choco egg. Yeah, we need to get some choco eggs. So let's see what is inside the toy. Oh! Sugoi! It is a Pokemon, and you put them together. That is awesome! That is so much better than what we get here in the US. I am thrilled. Oh, awesome! Kokoi! And that was our last item for today. And that last one was definitely the best item. And thanks for coming by. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. As you can see, I got lots of snacks to go through. Eventually, I'm going to go through these. I'm going to look at the expiration dates and start working on the ones that are about to expire, because I'm sure some of these I've had for a while, so I need to use them. So if you're interested in seeing those upcoming videos, please like, subscribe, and they'll be coming out soon. And mata ne! Till next time! Bye bye!